In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Find Edges filter and experiment with different blend modes. First, duplicate your image layer so you can keep the original safe. Pause here and make sure the duplicate is selected. Then go to Filter, Stylize, Find Edges, and give Photoshop a moment to apply the effect. That already gives us an interesting look, but it can feel a little boring, so let's make it more creative by changing the blend mode. Slowly scroll through the different blend modes and take your time checking each style. You can freely choose the one that looks best for your image. Pause for a moment to demonstrate the different results. Next, move to another image. Duplicate the layer first, and since we already used Find Edges, simply go to Filter and choose Find Edges again to apply the same effect. Now, slowly explore the blend modes once more and take some time finding a style that works well with your second image. Pause and compare the different looks, then choose your favorite blend mode. And that's it.